Hey guys, I am getting ready to spray paint my fresh flower sign so that I can do my French stencil on this sign. As promised, I wanted to do this for my French Friday video for you guys, and hope you enjoy. I got the most votes for this, so I was very excited because I thought it would look super nice in the French wording as well. But I'm gonna have to hurry because it looks like it could rain any second, so here we go. Okay guys, I am inside now ready to do my stenciling. I have let this sign dry long enough. It's all ready to go. And I had to put several coats of black to cover up the white paint, the lettering that was on here previously. So, but it's all finished and we're ready to go. And I found this stencil that I already had and I hadn't used it yet. And so I thought maybe I would try this, see if I like it. It says I don't know if you can see that, I'll get it up close here. So it says the Flower Market right here. And so I thought that would be appropriate for the flower cart. And I purchased this at Tuesday morning for $2.99. But I've also purchased the same exact brand of stencil at Michael's, so I know that this might have originally, I don't know if it originally came from there or what, but I've actually purchased the same brand French stencils at Michael's, so you might be able to get it at Michael's if you're interested, or maybe check your Tuesday morning to see if they have some there. They do have an aisle of craft items. So you never know, you might get lucky, and you never know what you're gonna find there. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to be using my Waverly Chalk Craft Paint in white. And then I'm just going to be using my little, small little spouncer brush. And I'm going to be using this little paint holder is from the Dollar Tree. I think you get like a pack of 6 of them for $1. And then I'm going to be using, you can, it's always good to have like a little napkin or paper towel to kind of, once you get a little paint on your brush, and then you're going to want to take off some of the excess so that you don't have too much on your brush and let it, it could bleed through and make a big mess. So I've taped my my stencil down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This Flower Market is pretty small though. I'm hoping it'll look okay because it's not very large, pretty small lettering. So I'm also thinking I might do the Paris along with it. And so it'll be like the Paris Flower Market. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here's the finished sign. I think it turned out really nice. I ended up using some designs, scrolly type designs right here on either side of the Paris because I felt like it was, the space was too empty on either side of the wording there. So what I did was used a stencil that I already had that you guys saw me use on my tea cart. And so I just used that top portion for the design up there to fill in, like I said, the blank areas on the sign. And I also ended up using one right here at the top. So I think it turned out really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it to my flower cart and show you guys what it looks like. All right, here we go. Okay guys, here it is, the flower cart without the sign. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. I think it looks really cute with and without the sign. But I'm gonna go ahead and attach it, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'm glad I got that sign painted just in time because it is downpouring rain right now. And so I apologize, the lighting is not the greatest probably in here right now, but I've got all the lights on. It's just really a dreary, yucky, rainy day today. So here we go. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you another look here at the sign attached to the flower cart. I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick DIY stencil DIY project on the flower cart. I'm gonna zoom in and give you a little bit closer look here. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. Hope you guys are too. Thanks for voting on this, the French wording on here. I'm really glad you guys voted and gave me all your opinions. I really appreciate it. And I just appreciate all of you, my YouTube family, and for also all of your kind words and encouragement. It really does encourage me to keep making videos like this here on my YouTube channel. So I appreciate you, and I hope that you all have a beautiful and blessed weekend, especially this Mother's Day weekend. I want to wish all of you mothers happy Mother's Day, and we will see you in the next one, guys, next Friday on French Friday. All right, take care. Bye-bye.